Hello, everybody. Hey guys, I got something new here. We just got a Arby's put in here and a Teriyaki Madness. And I've never been to Teriyaki Madness. Here's a cup here. It says Teriyaki Madness. So I got one of the spicy chicken bowls here. Let's give this a try. Got all the vegetables and everything in there. Try the noodles out first. Really good noodles. And I like the soy sauce. I only poured the soy sauce on the noodles because I didn't want to ruin the taste of the chicken here. Let's give the chicken a try here. Yeah, this is bourbon chicken. That's what I thought. This is great. And this is a spicy bourbon chicken. Really good flavor. Yeah. Try this here. Damn it. Gotta get that. There we go. So comes with cabbage. Crunchy cabbage. Cucumber, broccoli. So you get it with or without the vegetables. This is a lot better than I thought. To be honest, I like this a lot better than I do Panda Express. So, for the Teriyaki Madness Spicy Chicken Bowl, give it a 10 out of 10. Alright guys, take care.